Yo. No, no, no. I would not. I'd rather go hungry. Yo, Wagwan, what's up? This is Xavier. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be watching National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, starring Chevy Chase. It's from 1989. So disclaimer, I think I've watched this before, but I don't think I have watched this before. If I have, it's maybe like I watched like a scene here and there or something like that. I don't know. I remember I was like watching it at a certain part, and then like that's all I watched. Maybe like I watched like 20 minutes or something like that. So I'm not sure. We'll find out along the way how much of this I actually know, and maybe it was another National Lampoon movie I saw. But if I did, it was like a long time ago, probably like in the late 90s that I saw when I was very young. Yeah, but if anything, it was like in the late 90s when I saw this, like very young. Yeah, like I said. So I doubt I remember that. Yeah. So something might be familiar, but it might be I'm thinking about the wrong movie. I don't know. So this description says the Griswolds spend the holiday in a garish way, especially when a country cousin pulls up in an RV. Okay, so I was doing a little research about the film series, and I know that the cousin is supposed to be Cousin Eddie. I don't remember the name of the actor who plays him or whatever, cause I don't know. But yeah, so I think that's all I need to say before we go into it. Basically blind. Maybe I'm not going in this blind. I don't know. We will see. It's gonna be a journey. So let's get into it. Alright, this is a John Hughes movie. Right. I did know that. Forgot to mention that. Oh yeah, Randy Quaid. That's the guy. Oh, I remember her as an older actress. I don't remember her from this movie.
What we're looking for today is the Griswold family Christmas tree.
Okay, that was Johnny Galecki. Right. I will remember him from the movie name. No, sorry, the show name. The movie with the nerds. Oh gosh, I don't remember what it's called.
Hey kids, look, a deer.
Whoa! Oh no.
Slow down!
What are you doing, bro?
Will you just take it easy, Ellen? I'm in complete control.
No, you were not.
Egg timer.
Dad? Dad?
That man was not paying attention at all.
Our Father, who art in heaven.
Well, they ended up where they were going. They did. You gotta give them that.
Dad, that thing wouldn't fit in our yard.
Not going in our yard, Russ.
Where is it going?
Living room.
What?
Viewed, Audrey.
She'll see it later, honey. Her eyes are frozen.
This tree is a symbol of the spirit of the Griswold family Christmas.
His tongue's messed up. He did not. Is that Julia Louis-Dreyfus?
At the height of his living
Louis-Dreyfus is in this. Cool.
Where do you think you're gonna put a tree that big? Bend over and I'll show you. I wasn't talking to you.
Wait.
A lot of sap in here.
You set standards that no family event can ever live up to.
When have I ever done that?
Parties, weddings,
Night, honey.
anniversaries, funerals.
They're just listing things off while he has her hair stuck. Classic. That guy is familiar.
Can I show you something?
Yeah, a lot of things.
I was just
Eyes up here, eyes up here, brother. Eyes up here.
just browsing.
Eyes up here.
I guess wouldn't be any. Oh. Wouldn't be the. Yes, yes. It is. It's a bit nipply out. I mean nippy out. What did I say? Nippy. There is a nip in the air, though.
Can I take something out for you?
Yes, you can.
Really high on the hip.
Look, I'm wearing something similar.
See the line, can you, Russ?
No.
Oh, she's a very good saleswoman. I gotta give her that. Very good saleswoman. She gets, yeah, she's very good. She's good at her job.
Sweetheart, your grandma Doris got a real painful burr on my heel, and if you rub it for me, I'll give you a whole quarter. Okay?
A quarter.
This is what Christmas is all about.
Yeah, family. Lovely, isn't it?
I think you might be overdoing it, Dad.
He is, of course he
When was
is.
the last time I overdid anything?
The tree? That big thing in your living room? Whoa! Yeah. Oh, yeah. He was never gonna make it to the ladder.
Joy to the world.
This is gonna go badly.
Sorry, Danny. It looks good even if we're not lit.
Oh, that was nice of her to lie like that. I can't go past a little good physical comedy. Watch your step, man. Watch your step.
Stand
I figure this is gonna
Floodlights don't work.
show up, like, be resolved in the...
Is it plugged in?
Honey, do you honestly think I would check thousands of tiny little lights if I wasn't sure the extension cord was plugged in?
It's not plugged in, is it? Oh! I was gonna say earlier, this gets resolved like at the end of the movie. Oh yeah, I expected him to be electrocuted. No lie. Too much Home Alone.
Oh my gosh. Her eyes aren't crossed anymore.
That's something, ain't it? Huh? She falls in a well, eyes go cross. She gets kicked by a mule, they go back to normal. I don't know.
The wonders of modern medicine.
You don't want him around if you're wearing short pants, if you know what I mean. A word of warning, though, if he does lay into you, it's best to just let him finish.
Okay.
Well, you see, the plate runs right underneath my part here. And these over here, it's, nothing. But here, if this gets dented, then my hair just ain't gonna look right.
Yeah, that's why you should be worrying about your hair.
Let her rip, ain't pen.
I love the exaggeration.
The sun to shine by day and all the stars at night.
That man is detrimentally horny.
I'm nervous because Christmas is almost here.
Nervous or excited?
Shit and bricks. Sorry. Shit and rocks.
Yeah, sure, yeah. Let's go with that. Yeah.
Shitter was full! Christmas! Shitter was full!
To Florida. Are you still dating Claude?
Present.
It isn't every day somebody moves into a new house.
They didn't move into a new house.
This box is meowing.
Let me see
it. Oh my god.
Grace! Grace! She passed away 30 years ago.
Want you to say grace. The blessing.
I pledge allegiance to the flag. Stands one nation indivisible with liberty.
Amen.
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 God. Yo. No, no, no. I would not. I'd rather go hungry. Oh no. A cat getting electrocuted should not be funny.
Plugs in one outlet. Oh God.
If you don't mind, Clark, I'd like to see if I can... It's a good quality item.
The cat died.
Look what you've done to my tree! Louis. With this bonus check, I'm putting in a swimming pool. That's it! That's the big one!
It's not gonna be a bonus.
It's bigger than you expected?
No. Smaller. Oh, it's not a bonus at all?
It's a 1-year membership in the Jelly of the Month Club. I don't want to tell him what a cheap, lying, no-good, rotten, four-flushing, low-life, snake-licking, dirt-eating, inbred, overstuffed, ignorant, blood-sucking, dog-kissing, brainless, dickless, hopeless, heartless...
Oh, he's still going.
Aren't you just the teeniest bit sorry we didn't get a Christmas tree? I mean, even though they're dirty and messy and corny and cliched.
Well, where are you going to find a tree this out on Christmas Eve?
That's how you're gonna get one.
Where's Eddie? He usually eats these goddamn things.
Oh, not recently, Clark. He read the squirrels were high in cholesterol.
Oh, okay.
Go on. And when Santa squeezes his fat white ass down that chimney tonight, he's gonna find the jolliest bunch of assholes this side of the house. How did you get through it?
I had a lot of help from Jack Daniels.
Yeah, that is helpful.
But when people count on him as part of their salary, well, what you did is just plain
sucks.
Thank you, Russ.
Exactly.
Cousin-in-law whose heart is bigger than his brain. I appreciate that, Clark.
You're welcome, Eddie.
If you want to come in, you are going to have to break down the goddamn door.
The more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out. And also, if you stay down here and you never fuck around, you'll never find out.
Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
This is Clark Griswold and his family.
Welcome to our home.
That ain't the friggin' Christmas star, Grizz. It's a light in the sewage treatment plant.
Don't drop that!
And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in. Through the night, that our flag was still there. Play ball!
I did it.
That you did.
Just wait and see.
Alright, so that was National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. And yeah, I did not watch that at all. Maybe like one or two scenes were like vaguely familiar, but no, that was the first time I'd watched it. But yeah, that's basically the first time I'm watching it. I'm calling this as a first time watch because I don't remember. They're familiar, but no, this is the first time watch because. Wait, was anything familiar? No. Yeah, I was lying to myself a while ago. Nothing was familiar. It was familiar in terms of I saw another vacation movie. I think it was maybe the first one. I think that might have been familiar. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, this is the first time watch. I've never seen them before. Right, let me check about the kids, Rusty and Audrey. Okay, so Johnny Galecki, he was in the Big Bang Theory. That's where I know him from. And Juliette Lewis, who played Audrey, just seen her in a lot of different stuff. So yeah, that's how I recognize them. But I did a little bit of checking, and apparently those characters are played by two different actors in the first movie. I don't know why there was a change. I don't know. Doesn't really matter to me because I didn't see. Well, I probably did see the first one, but I don't remember. So yeah, not a big deal. But yeah, so pretty decent movie. John Hughesy, yeah, very John Hughesy. Reminded me a little bit of Home Alone, and he was involved in that, so I get it. Decent laughs, very wacky. Decent story. Everybody gave what they wanted to give because, you know, some of the performances were over the top and some of them were just straight, but you know, that's fine because you don't want everybody going off the walls. Yeah, everybody going off walls would just kind of ruin it. So I find there were like varying levels of exaggeration in the performances, and sometimes this is exaggerated, but the character was like low-key at another point. I appreciated that. There's not really much to say about it. It was predictable in some parts, but not predictable in other parts. Because I totally got outwitted in some things. So I'm glad I did not do a lot of predicting in this, because I had us along for the ride. You know, just vibing, chilling, enjoying everything. Some of the humor was definitely a product of its time. Nothing was like offensive or like anything like that. It just, yeah, I could tell this was not recent. I don't know why, but some of the jokes just really felt old school. Maybe I'm just being biased because I know it's old school, so it's clicking in my head that it is, but I don't know, it just kind of feels like that. But overall, good movie. I could see why multiple of these were made, because it's just, you get to know the characters and you appreciate them, and they're just wild and fun and funny, and that's the point. You were there for a good time, not a long time, but a good time, and it gave us that. So mission accomplished. I enjoyed myself. That was enough for me. So I don't think you could watch this. But you could. Like some of the scenes are a bit like the scene with the store, in the store where he's flirting with the lady, and then where he's imagining her in the pool. So I don't know, maybe it's just fine at the time, but I don't know. Maybe not family affair. Maybe like a couple watching this, like a couple, Christmas. Yeah, I don't know, if your family rolls that way, you can watch it together too. It is what it is. But yeah, so quality Christmas fare. Yeah, let's give it that title. Quality Christmas fare. Enjoyable. Would recommend. And those are my thoughts. So, goodbye.